gonna come back. Yeah. Huh? No. They might peck your finger. Oh, there he is, over there. Come sit down here.
There's 2 eggs.
Yeah.
That's why they're not coming out. They want to protect their eggs.
Yeah.
And I think if I disturb them, they might eat me whole.
Yeah. Oh, the bird's coming here. Look, sit down here. Sit down.
That's why I can hear bird sounds.
Yeah, he's coming. Flying over there. Look up in the sky. He's coming. Oh, hilltops.
OMG, take a picture.
I got video.
I can take pictures of it. Picture.
There he is. I got video.
I'll post this on YouTube.
Look at him. He's right on video.
I think that bird's chirping. You want me to go look inside?
What?
You want me to go look inside?
Oh no, the bird will see you. He'll peck at your head.
OMG. There's some eggs in there. Once they hatch, I think they'll move out. Or they'll stay there internally.
Yeah.
Depends on how they're treated.
Yeah.
Then I can post this on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay.
And on Monday, me and Maddie are going to go to the dollar store if our dad allows us. And if we're allowed to spend $5, we're going to buy some stuff.
Yeah.
For our channel.
For your what?
For our channel.
Your what?
Channel.
Your channel?
Yeah, we have a channel.
What channel?
YouTube.
You mean an account?
No, but we actually do have a channel there. I can show you fast if you want.